Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a full review on my Pochette Metis East West. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a handbag review. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I thought for sure that I had already done a review on this bag, but apparently I haven't. I looked through my catalog, if you will, and I guess I have not done a review on the Pochette Metis East West, so I thought that I would go ahead and do that today. I have had this bag for going on a year almost. It's so crazy. I still cannot believe that I got this bag last year and it's been an entire year because we got it at like the end of last year. So like October, November of 2023 when we were in Italy. So I did get it when the last time I was in Italy and I did an unboxing. I'll link the unboxing down below for you, but I can't believe we're already to that like 1 year mark and I haven't done a review on it. I feel like that just is not right. Hold on. Yeah, I did the unboxing of this bag November 25th of 2023 and it is currently September 23rd. 2024. That is insane. Anyways, enough with me blabbing about that. Yes, I've had this bag for going on almost a year now, so I thought that I would do a quick little review on her, tell you how I've been getting along with her for having her for almost a year. Do I like her? Do I not like her? All of the pros and cons and that good stuff. So let's get started. So starting off with the overview, of course. If you have not seen what the Pochette Metis East West looks like, here it is. It basically looks exactly like the regular Pochette Metis, except it is much shorter and it is more in like a rectangle shape, which I think is super cute. I really like the East-West versions of bags. I like the East-West vibe. It does have this pocket at the back, which you can fit like little receipts. You can put kind of whatever you want to in there, so that's really handy. It has this tiny little top handle up here, which I don't think anyone has ever used as a top handle ever because it's just so little. I mean, it's very cute, but yeah, it's just a tiny top handle. And then the star of the show in the very middle of the bag is this S-lock. I think that's what it's called, the S-lock. And it's really, really nice. It is one of Louis Vuitton's more expensive hardware pieces, which makes this bag definitely more expensive. We will get into that here in a minute. This S-lock was on the original Pochette Metis, and then also some other bags incorporate it as well. So you have like the side trunk, like that bag, it has like a smaller S-lock and it's so stinking cute. I still love that bag. It does have two D-rings on it, so it's got two sets. So one up here and then one down here, same on this side. And then to open it, you kind of pinch in the D-rings and then it opens like that. And then here is what the inside looks like. This is pretty much all monogram canvas as well. There's not really any leather on this. They do have leather versions of the Pochette Metis East West, but mine is just the monogram one. Here is the inside. So you've got one big pocket in the front back here. You do have a zip pocket. You've got one pocket back here and then another smaller pocket in the very, very back. Really nice on the inside. However, it looks like, again, we'll go into like pros and cons, but like, don't let this inside deceive you. It does come with two types of straps, not one, two. It comes with two types of straps. You have the crossbody strap, which I'm obsessed with this crossbody strap. I wish that Louis Vuitton would make all of their crossbody straps like this. This is how it is when you want to wear it as a crossbody. See, it's long, but these things right here, these buttons, are how you adjust it. So if you wanted to make it into a shoulder bag, you would unbutton them, and then they have another little clasp like down here at the bottom, and then you just snap it together. And that is how you get your shoulder strap length. I just think that is so innovative and so cool. And then when you want to wear a crossbody again, you just unbutton them and put them back to the long setting. I love this. I think this is great. Very, very innovative for Louis Vuitton. And then the second strap is just this gold chain strap that you can change out of and wear if you wanted to not wear the crossbody strap or the shoulder strap, or if you were going to like a more formal event or going to dinner, then you can swap it out and wear that gold chain strap for a bit more of a pop. So that has been the overview of the bag. Let's go into pricing here because I feel like that is where people kind of lose it when it comes to this bag. So let me pull it up. So this bag on the Louis Vuitton website, in America at least, is $2,990. For this bag, I feel like that is exorbitant. I feel like that is insane. Almost $3,000 for a fully monogram handbag. And I know the reason why it is so expensive is because of this S-lock. Now, I do like the fact that you get 2 types of straps. That's fine. At the store, I do think you pay taxes, and it's gonna be over $3,000 to buy this bag in America. So that is primarily the reason I bought it in Europe. In Europe, this was $2,400, I do believe. So you do knock off like a good $500, which is insane. Doesn't make any sense. I do not know why this bag is so steeply priced in America. So if you are interested in this bag, I would probably recommend getting it in Europe. If you have a Europe trip planned, or if you ever plan to go to Europe, I would get it there. But yeah, so that's the pricing. I do think it's a little bit crazy for a bag of this size, but c'est la vie, I guess. Now let's go into like the ways you can wear it. I mean, of course you can wear it crossbody on your shoulder, and I guess you could carry a top handle if you really wanted to, but I'm talking more of like who is gonna carry this bag. This is, in my opinion, very casual, everyday bag. I feel like anybody would be able to carry this bag. So when it comes to like the wearability of it, I think it's great. I don't think you're gonna have any issues styling this bag or, you know, pairing it with an outfit. I think it's gonna go with everything. The style is very classy. It's a very different style because right now you see a lot of the half moon bags, and this one is definitely still that more of like a messenger style bag, but I think it's also really cool. So it's just a different vibe, but I do think that this type of style will stay around for a long time. It does kind of have an accordion situation, if you can see right here. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because it has those different compartments. I think it's kind of cool. It kind of gives a little bit of intrigue to the bag on the side there. So I don't mind the accordion look. So definitely a pro there when it comes to like ways you can wear it. It's very versatile and then also very easy to style as well. So you're not going to have any issues styling this bag or pairing it with an outfit. I do think, again, the wearability is great. So if you do have this bag or if you are looking for this bag, I don't think you're going to be disappointed because it is a really great bag. However, there are a few things on here that do kind of annoy me a little bit. So the first thing is going to be that this is not pre-treated vachetta. So it is going to be fresh vachetta. So if you go to Louis Vuitton and if you buy this bag straight from an essay, you're gonna get brand new like a baby vachetta, and it's gonna be super light, and you have to be really, really careful with it because in Italy, it never rains in Italy. And then the last couple of weeks while we were there last time, it rained like every day. And I did end up getting water spots on my bag. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. It's not horrible by any means, but it still sucks, and it's not fun to like buy a bag and then it get not ruined or anything, but just damaged in a way that's kind of like that. I mean, the water spots again are not terrible, but you can definitely see them, and so that's just annoying. I wish that Louis Vuitton just made all of their bags with pre-treated vachetta like they did on the Nano Speedy. So that's just one thing to keep an eye out before the vachetta, like before you take it out, before you get it in the sun, before it darkens. You have to be really careful with it, and some people might not want to deal with that, which is totally fine. Another thing, and probably the biggest thing that I notice on this bag, is that you would think this bag has a lot of room. You would think that this bag fits a ton of stuff, and let me tell you right now, it does not at all. It has a lot of openings, like it has a lot of places to put your stuff, but the openings are so shallow that like putting your phone in one of these literally takes up the entire pocket. Like putting your phone in this one, it barely fits. And I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max still. And if I put that one in the front compartment, it does fit technically, but it literally takes up all the space in the front compartment. If I put it in this middle compartment, again, it does fit, but it just takes up a lot of space. You're not going to be fitting bulky items in this bag. Everything that you can fit in here needs to be relatively slim. So like a small card holder, you can't really use an actual thick wallet or anything like that with this bag because it just doesn't have any give to it. Even when I would put like my AirPods in here, like just the AirPods case is so thick that like it can give me problems in this bag depending on what else I have in it. Good luck me trying to get like my Chanel hand cream in this bag. It's just not happening. So there are a lot of limitations, unfortunately, when it comes to like putting your stuff in this bag. So I find myself, whenever I wear this bag, I find myself really only carrying a couple of things. I carry my wallet, I carry my phone in my pocket. I don't even put my phone in here. I carry my sunglasses and like my AirPods, a mirror. Like, yeah, I can't fit my mini pochette accessoire in here. It's just quite restrictive of the stuff that you can actually fit in this bag, which I thought was super shocking. Like, I thought that I was gonna be able to fit more things in here than I can in my Nano Speedy, and that just did not happen whatsoever. So don't let the size fool you. The Nano Speedy is like smaller than this bag, and this bag still fits less than the Nano Speedy. So again, just to warn you in case you are interested in this bag, but if you don't carry a lot, then it's not gonna matter anyways, you know? But those are my only two like big gripes with this bag. Other than that, I think it's a really pretty bag. I think it's very versatile, and I think it's a really great everyday situation. But that's pretty much all I have to say on the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. I think it's really cute. I think that if you like this style, I would probably wait to get it when you go like to Europe. I don't know how it is like in Asian countries or in any other countries. I just know how it is in Europe. I would probably wait to get it in Europe, especially if you go to like Paris, because Louis Vuitton is a Parisian brand, and most of the time if you buy a Parisian brand in Paris or in France, it's going to be the cheapest that you can get it. So I would probably wait to get it in Italy or in Paris or something. But yeah, other than that, I think it's great. But let me know in the comments if you have this bag, or if you are thinking about getting this bag. Let me know what you thought of my review today, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!